Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever felt like your toothbrush just isn't getting into those hard-to-reach spaces between your teeth? Well, today we're tackling that with the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens ultra-tight interdental brushes. These are designed for deep plaque removal in those ultra-tight spots that regular floss just can't reach. Whether you're dealing with braces, implants, or simply tight teeth, these brushes are here to make your oral care routine that much more effective. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell icon so you never miss a review that could upgrade your beauty routine. Now let's get into it. These GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are ultra-tight interdental brushes that are specifically designed for those who struggle with flossing between very narrow teeth. They come in a pack of 40, 10 per box, 4 boxes total, and their soft bristles are crafted to slide gently between teeth and clean out plaque that a toothbrush can't reach. But here's where it gets interesting. These brushes are also safe for people with braces, dental devices, or implants, thanks to their nylon-coated wire, which prevents any scratching or galvanic shock. So if you're worried about damaging your braces or other fixtures, these brushes are a safe, effective option. Personally, I've been using them for a few weeks now, and I have to say, they really live up to their promise. Using them was super easy to integrate into my routine, and they fit between my teeth without any discomfort. I use them after brushing, focusing on those tricky spots that often feel neglected. The small size of the brushes made it easy to maneuver around my dental devices, and the soft bristles didn't irritate my gums at all. I even found it easier to reach spaces in the back of my mouth where I typically struggle with traditional floss. One thing I really appreciated was how well they worked around my braces. If you've ever had braces, you know how challenging it is to keep the spaces between your teeth clean. These brushes slid right into the narrow gaps without causing any discomfort, and I could visibly see the plaque removal after each use, which was a huge plus for me. But let's get into the pros and cons. Pros: effective plaque removal. They really do remove plaque that brushing misses. You can feel the difference immediately after use. Safe for dental appliances. The nylon coating on the wire is a game changer. No need to worry about damaging your braces or other dental work. Easy to use, small enough to easily maneuver, and they fit well even in tight spaces. Gentle on gums. Despite their effectiveness, they didn't irritate my gums, which is often a concern with other interdental brushes. Cons: small size. While perfect for tight spaces, some people might find these brushes a bit too small for larger gaps. Not long-lasting. These brushes are disposable, so you'll need to replace them regularly, which can add up over time. Limited size options. If you don't have very tight spaces between your teeth, you might find these brushes too thin for your needs. So is it worth the price? I'd say yes. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are priced in line with other high-quality interdental brushes. And when you factor in their ability to clean areas regular brushing misses, they're definitely a solid investment in your oral health. Now, if you're looking for an alternative that's a bit more budget-friendly, some options like the Dentec Easy Reach Floss Picks or other drugstore brands do a decent job at cleaning in between spaces, though they might not be as effective in tight spots or as gentle around dental appliances. To wrap it up, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are a must-have if you're looking for a way to improve your oral care routine, especially if you have tight teeth, braces, or dental implants. These brushes make it easy to clean those tricky spots, ensuring you're getting a deep clean and maintaining your oral health. Thanks for watching. If you've tried these interdental brushes or have any recommendations for similar products, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. You can find the link to purchase these in the description or comments. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.